What can I hide in dinner tonight? Today we're making taco rice, where half of the rice is actually cauliflower. But shh, if my kids find out, I would have to move out. Start with a pound of ground turkey, or beef if you're feeling rebellious. Add it to a large pot and brown. Quick mom hack. Wrap a paper towel around a spatula and blot the grease. It saves time, dishes, and your will to cook tomorrow. To the quote-unquote drained meat, add 1 medium diced onion. Then, now this is important, add enough garlic to ward off vampires and the in-laws. About 2 tablespoons should do it. Once the onions have softened and the garlic is making the house smell like you know what you are doing, it is time to season like it has been a day. Chili powder, cumin, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Basically, just dump the whole spice drawer. Or you could make your life a little easier and just buy a taco seasoning packet. I didn't have any chili powder because that would have meant that I actually planned ahead, so I am improvising a little bit here. Now we dump in a whole can of fire-roasted tomatoes with the juice. Don't you dare drain it. Plus a cup of white rice and a cup and a half of beef broth. Stir it like your sanity depends on it. Because it does. Bring that to a boil. And now, my dirty little secret, cauliflower rice. 1 full frozen bag right into the pan. No one will notice, not even the picky one who claims he's allergic to everything that is healthy. Bring it to a simmer, cover it, and walk away for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the liquid's soaked up, give it a quick stir, top with cheese, and slap the lid back on it. And just like that, dinner's done, and nobody guessed they ate cauliflower. Subscribe for more easy meals, hidden veggies, and mom survival tips. Bonus points if you don't tell my kids my secrets.